again, I speak from my experience. So when I started out, used to do development work. I used to do graphic design. So I needed to shift to the UX because like it combines a lot of fields, which is very interesting and has a lot of problem solving. What I did is I did a lot of freelance work very cheaply, like super cheap, almost for free. And I pitched I proposed my work alongside other work. So when I did a website, for example, for someone, I proposed like, can I do the design for you? And I did it for free. So I can just test out, my ideas, see like how can I communicate this idea to the client? How can I adjust according to the client's feedback? Because a lot of the design work is client feedback and user feedback, mostly user feedback. This is basically the process that I did, and also took a lot of online classes and courses. But this is almost like academic. The thing I care about the most is experience, basically.